Today I'll be solving problem on each problem. So this is a question that have been derived. It's a question from a standard test, and I'll be giving a simple problem to solving this question. This simple method, simple way to solve this problem. So stay connected after watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dolo S to my YouTube channel. Like, share my video, and comment as well. So the problem here, the question here says, Dolo and Jim's ages are 5x minus 4 and 2x plus 1. If Dolo is 10 years older than James, find each person age now. So they are given all their ages, but there's condition that has been derived. And the condition here say Dolo is about 10 years older than James. So we should find each of them ages, and the ages is being expressed in expression other than a number. So we are going to solve this problem. It's very simple. So the first thing we consider is to select our data. So we say data. On our data, we say let Dolo age be equal to, in the question, say 5x minus 4. Then we say Jim age equal 2x plus 1. Then after that, to make our problem easy in terms of analysis, now we can conclude, say therefore we say James age plus 10 must give us Dolo. Okay, that must give us Dolo age, because the question said Dolo is, if Dolo is 10 years older than James, that means when you add 10 to Jim's age, you get Dolo final age now. So we are about to solve this problem. We can now go down. Now we say solution. Solution here, we are already set the problem, make it easy for us. So now we can say Dolo, DOL, Dolo age will be equal to James age plus 10. So let's put this that we know that in our data Dolo age is 5x minus 4. So in place of Dolo age, we say 5x minus 4 must be equal to, and Jim age here we say is equal to 2x plus 1. So we say 2x plus 1, and then we are adding 10 to it. So let's just put this into our parenthesis. We say plus 10 to show that distinction that this is Jim's age. Now we can now solve our problem. So we say 5x minus 4 will be equal to, take it from the parenthesis, 2x plus 1 plus 10. In this problem now, it's an equation we can call our like terms. So before we call our like term, we know that we will add this 1 to this 10. So now we can say 5x, if we bring the 2x across the equal sign, is a positive value, so it will change to negative 2x or minus 2x. So we say minus 2x must be minus 4. We still keep the 4. We're going to solve this problem on the side first. Then say will be equal to 1 plus 10, 11. So we say now 5x minus 2x will give us 3x will be equal to, we say 11. Then this minus 4, as it go after the equal sign, it becomes plus 4. So finally we got 3x will be equal to 11 plus 4 will give us 15. So we can now equal, okay, we can now divide both sides by 3 because we want to find the values of x. By 3 will cancel out 3 with level x. So s will be equal to 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. So this is the common ratio between the ages. So now we can now separate and find each person's age. So to find Dolo age here now, we know that Dolo age is just 5x minus 4. So we say 5x minus 4. Now to finally get Dolo age, anywhere we see the values of L, we already find a common ratio. We just place it in place of x and carry on our common arithmetic or our solution, which is very easy for us. So we say 5 times the values of x here is just 5 minus 4. So we say equal 5 times 5 is 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4 will give us 21. So it means therefore dollar h is equal to 21. So we secure this, then we come to dollar h will be 21. Dollar will be 21 years of age. Then since we're done with this already, we go to James. So James age. So James age. Now we said the question said James age as per the expression is 2x plus 1. So we say 2x plus 1 is equal. So therefore it will be equal to the common ratio between them is what is something around 5. Is x is 5. So the same method we use to find dollar h, we can apply the same. So we say 2 times the values of x is 5 plus 1. So we say 2 times 5 are 10 plus 1. So it means James age will be 11. So we say therefore James age equal 11. So we have solved this. So when you analyze this entire problem, the question says Dolo is 10 years older than James, and we have already found Dolo age to be 21 years of age, and James is about 11 years of age. So if you subtract 11 from 21, you have what? 10 years. That means that's a 10 years Dolo is older than James. So this is the problem. I think you get done with this problem already. So you can carefully look at the problem, and you can use this method whenever you are given any condition of such, and it will be a pretty easy stuff to complete your solution set and get your answer. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share my video, comment as well, because your comment will help indeed to increase and improve the components of most of our videos. Thank you so much, and have a God blessed day.